This is my first test print. I'm doing the 5mm calibration cube, and we're seeing how it's doing. It's filling in. My Printrbot Jr. V2. I built it last night and this morning, and we're seeing what we're getting. Well, here we are checking back. The print continues. We're up to another tier in the 5mm calibration cube. And we are looking at, we're in layer 41 of 83. And it's going around. You can see the little vacancy there and little steps, Cubert-like here. And we estimate it to have another about 10 minutes, so we'll check back in shortly. Or actually, let's take a quick zoom in if we can. There we go.
How are you doing?
The printing continues. We have about 25 more minutes according to the PDR, or however you pronounce it, program. And it's going to print this little 5mm calibration cube. We'll check back in a few minutes. It seems to be working. Here we're checking back in. It's been about 6 or 7 minutes. You can see the shape starting to take form. It's going to be a little Cubert style stack of cubes. You can see the honeycomb fill pattern that's being used. So it seems to trace about 4 little beads around, and then it fills the fill pattern. There it goes on the fill pattern for crisscrossing honeycombs. Uses less plastic and speeds up the printing process. We'll check back in a few minutes. Well, we're up to the 4th stack and things are proceeding along very nicely. We're going to see how that goes. You can see it's doing the next layer. We're going to have to work on the calibration and the details for smooth surfaces, but this is awesome. I'm really psyched. Let's see it from this side. You can see the shape forming. Alright, we've got 5 minutes left according to the program, so we'll check back when we get to the next level. We've gotten up to the last cube layer. It's a little hard to see in the camera, but there you go. And the layers go by much quicker this way because it's got much shorter distances to travel because it's doing the reduced cube sizes. So that's going to be almost done. It says we have about a minute left. See if I can get down here without bumping anything. this is my first 3D print on my own 3D printer. And I think we're done. Well, now we'll take it off and take a look at it.